Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you not to rush the process. I know when you first have a game idea in your head, you get the desire to want to play the game right now. Or during the creation of a mechanic of your game, you have that desire to want everything to be done so you can play the game or that, test out that mechanic right now or even publish the game. So, at whatever stage of game development you're currently on, I'm going to advise you not to rush the process, as when you do not take time in each step of creating your game, you make simple mistakes and overlook things that could potentially ruin your game and or cause you to start the creation process or the previous step all over again. Take your time in creating your game. There's no need to rush. Your game will always be there. People will always be there to play your game. Rushing through your game creation process will only get you frustrated and make the entire experience less fun. If this video helps you, please subscribe to this channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.